Shattenkirk to Zuccarello, the left shot on the right side. Zuccarello shot scores! Mats Zuccarello! And the Rangers win in OT. Henrik Lundqvist held the fort for them, and they found a way. The Bruins outplayed the Rangers for substantial stretches, but the Rangers got goals from their core players. Grabner, their team leader in goals, and Zuccarello having an excellent season.
Now, the Rangers were pretty deliberate in this 4-on-3 situation. They were in no hurry, as you pointed out, Jack. They were looking for the best shot possible. A little catch between Shattenkirk and Zuccarello. Zuccarello's going to try to improve his angle, get inside the dot, and have Kreider provide the screen. And that's exactly what they got, and that was a seeing eye wrist shot that avoids Chara, avoids Kreider, and somehow finds space over that left shoulder of Tuukka Rask.
Well, mental mistakes cost the Bruins again, as a too many men on the ice penalty comes back to haunt them. An overtime win for the Rangers and a disappointing loss for the Bruins.